There's Harper. Say hi, Harper. I'm almost 6 months old. Yes. That's Mommy's toe. How are you? Are you having a good day? Are you playing? Yeah. What you doing? You gonna flip over?
Wow.
That's Harper hanging out, entertaining herself. Getting really close to crawling. There you go. There she is skydiving. Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. You gonna crawl? Yeah.